Tesla has long been known for its electric vehicles, but the company's ambitions stretch far beyond roads. The introduction of Optimus, a humanoid robot, represents a bold step into general-purpose robotics. Unlike conventional robots, Optimus isn't limited to factory floors. It is intended to navigate real-world environments, interact with humans, and perform complex tasks. To achieve this, Tesla needed a processing platform capable of handling immense real-time data streams, a challenge far exceeding the demands of its full self-driving FSD software. Enter the AI5 chip. Following the success of AI4, which powers Tesla vehicles to process millions of visual inputs per second, AI5 is designed for a new scale of intelligence. While AI4 manages the road, AI5 handles the physical world, interpreting visual and tactile inputs, maintaining balance on uneven surfaces, and executing precise manipulations with human-like dexterity. In essence, Tesla isn't just building a robot, it's building a learning, adaptive system capable of operating autonomously in complex environments. The AI5 chip will allow Optimus to perform tasks that were previously impossible for robots of this size and form factor. Tasks like picking up fragile objects, responding to sudden human movements, or navigating crowded spaces rely on millisecond-level decision-making. AI5's architecture promises ultra-low latency and high memory bandwidth, enabling continuous real-time processing without the pause and think behavior that plagues earlier humanoids. Beyond Optimus, AI5 represents a unifying brain for Tesla's entire AI ecosystem. Vehicles, robots, and eventually Dojo 3's AI supercomputers could share the same architecture. This strategy allows Tesla to scale AI capabilities across multiple platforms efficiently, iterating at a speed unmatched by competitors. In short, Tesla is not just building a robot, it's designing an entire AI infrastructure that could redefine both robotics and autonomous systems. AI5, the heart of Optimus Gen 3. The AI5 chip is the crown jewel of Tesla's humanoid ambitions. While AI4 already enabled vehicles to process vast amounts of data for self-driving, AI5 is purpose-built for humanoid robotics. The challenges are different. A robot must handle tactile feedback, dexterity, and real-world unpredictability, all in real time. AI5 promises to meet these demands. One of the key improvements in AI5 is memory bandwidth, reportedly 5 times higher than AI4. This allows Optimus to access large machine learning models instantly, removing delays in reaction time. Imagine throwing a ball to Optimus. Where older humanoids would pause, recalibrate, and then respond, Optimus with AI5 calculates the trajectory and reaches out seamlessly, mimicking human reaction speed. Low latency is critical not just for performance, but also for safety, whether it's catching a falling object, adjusting to uneven floors, or interacting with humans in dynamic environments. Thermal efficiency and energy consumption are equally important. AI5 is being manufactured using cutting-edge 2 nanometer and 3 nanometer processes by Samsung and TSMC. This allows the chip to deliver unprecedented power while remaining energy efficient, so Optimus can operate continuously for hours without overheating or draining its battery prematurely. Optimus Gen 3 will finally be capable of sustained operation in real-world scenarios, moving beyond controlled demos and into practical tasks. AI5's versatility also extends to software. Tesla's unified chip architecture ensures that advances in FSD, robotics, or Dojo simulations can be applied across platforms. AI5 is more than a chip. It is a platform for exponential improvement. The combination of speed, efficiency, and adaptability makes it the most powerful AI brain Tesla has ever built, enabling Optimus to think and act with intelligence that rivals human perception and decision-making. The 9-month chip race, Tesla's secret weapon. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of Tesla's AI5 program isn't the chip itself, but the unprecedented speed of development. Elon Musk has publicly stated that Tesla aims for a 9-month design cycle for AI5, AI6, AI7, AI8, and even AI9. Traditionally, semiconductor companies take 18 to 24 months to bring a new generation to market. By cutting this in half, Tesla is effectively accelerating its AI iteration speed. This speed matters because AI learning scales with iteration. Faster chip development allows Tesla to test, fail, and improve systems rapidly. AI5 can be deployed, optimized, and iterated in less than a year, creating a compounding advantage over competitors. By the time rivals like NVIDIA or other AI robotics firms optimize their AI4 equivalent systems, Tesla may already be deploying AI6 or AI7 in robots, vehicles, and data centers. The 9-month cycle also reflects Tesla's approach as a software-first hardware company. Every new chip design is optimized for real-time learning, allowing robots to adapt on the fly. Optimus doesn't just execute pre-programmed behaviors, it continuously updates its responses based on environment and experience. This agility could establish Tesla as the leading humanoid robotics company long before competitors catch up. Tesla's supply chain strategy supports this ambition. By splitting production between Samsung's 2nm US fabs and TSMC's 3nm facilities, Tesla ensures scalability, redundancy, and cutting-edge manufacturing. It's not just speed, it's smart speed, balancing innovation with reliability. This 9-month chip race may well reshape the semiconductor industry, forcing even giants to rethink timelines and iteration strategies. Dojo 3 and space-age AI. Tesla's ambitions don't stop with Earth. AI5 is part of a roadmap extending to AI7 and Dojo 3, Tesla's next-generation AI supercomputing platform designed for extreme-scale computation. While AI5 powers Optimus on Earth, Dojo 3 is being positioned to extend AI into space, potentially enabling autonomous robotics for extraterrestrial environments or satellite-based intelligence. Dojo 3 will leverage the same principles as AI5. Ultra-low latency, high memory bandwidth, and real-time adaptability. AI7, the chip for Dojo 3, is expected to handle computations on a scale unthinkable in current terrestrial AI deployments. This could allow Tesla to simulate entire cities, complex manufacturing environments, or even planetary terrains in real time, feeding optimized instructions back to robots like Optimus. The implications are staggering. A humanoid robot with AI5 on Earth combined with Dojo 3's predictive and optimization capabilities could operate as part of a global AI network, coordinating tasks, sharing learning across units, and solving problems autonomously. Tesla is effectively building a multi-layered AI ecosystem. Edge intelligence on robots and cars, combined with centralized supercomputing intelligence for coordination, simulation, and optimization. This approach could redefine how we think about robotics, AI, and human-robot interaction. Robots won't just follow orders, they'll anticipate, adapt, and collaborate. The combination of AI5 and Dojo 3 could allow Optimus to perform complex tasks, from disaster response to precision manufacturing, in ways that were previously the domain of science fiction. Optimus Gen 3 – Real-World Intelligence. With AI5, Optimus Gen 3 is expected to be Tesla's first humanoid capable of genuine real-world productivity. Unlike Gen 2 demos, which mostly showcased movement and simple interactions, Gen 3 promises continuous real-time learning, ultra-smooth motion, and adaptive responses to dynamic environments. Every movement, from picking up fragile objects to navigating tight spaces, will benefit from AI5's low-latency processing. The dual camera system allows object recognition at multiple scales, while tactile and force sensors feed data into AI5 for precise control of hands and limbs. Optimus can now respond to human movements in crowded environments safely, anticipate collisions, and adjust posture and grip instantly. AI5 also enables collaborative behavior. Multiple Optimus units could work in synchrony on assembly lines, warehouses, or even construction sites, coordinating tasks without human intervention. This is made possible by the chip's ability to handle massive simultaneous data streams, share information across units, and update neural models in real time. Optimus may finally transition from robotic demonstration to practical worker, capable of performing tasks with human-like dexterity and intelligence. Additionally, energy efficiency improvements mean Optimus Gen 3 could operate for longer periods, making it viable for industrial or logistical applications. Battery management, thermal control, and low-power neural computation ensure that AI5's advanced capabilities are usable in the field, not just in labs. Tesla's AI ecosystem: cars, robots, and chips. AI5 is the cornerstone of Tesla's integrated AI ecosystem. Its design doesn't only serve Optimus, it improves Tesla vehicles, Dojo supercomputers, and future AI deployments. FSD vehicles benefit from AI5's speed and precision, allowing them to handle edge cases that even expert drivers struggle with. The same chip can process visual data, interpret sensor readings, and make real-time predictions, all with unprecedented speed. This unified approach means every Tesla AI product improves in tandem. As cars encounter real-world scenarios, the learning feeds back into AI models for Optimus and Dojo 3. Tesla is building a feedback loop that accelerates intelligence across vehicles, robots, and computational platforms. AI5 isn't a chip, it's the brain of a networked intelligence system capable of scaling across millions of endpoints. From a competitive standpoint, this ecosystem is a game changer. Companies like NVIDIA and Boston Dynamics may excel at isolated robotics or AI hardware, but Tesla is merging vehicles, robots, and supercomputing into one integrated system. By controlling hardware, software, and deployment, Tesla ensures optimization at every level, a vertical integration few can match. The future, humanity meets Optimus. AI5 and Optimus Gen 3 are more than technological milestones, they are cultural signals. Tesla is positioning humanoid robots not as curiosities, but as practical assistants capable of performing complex tasks safely, intelligently, and efficiently. The implications for industry, logistics, manufacturing, and domestic environments are enormous. However, challenges remain. Social acceptance, safety protocols, and ethical considerations will shape how quickly humanoid robots are adopted. AI5 provides the computational power. It's up to designers, engineers, and policymakers to ensure that robots enhance society rather than disrupt it. Elon Musk's vision of AI5, Dojo 3, and the AI roadmap represents the first time a company is building a full-stack AI system spanning chips, robots, vehicles, and supercomputing. If successful, Optimus Gen 3 may redefine human-robot interaction, pushing AI from controlled environments into daily life. For the first time, a humanoid robot may not just look human, it may act human, learn continuously, and integrate seamlessly into the modern world. Tesla isn't just building robots or cars, it's creating the next era of intelligence, where AI5 is the beating heart of a revolution, and humanity's relationship with machines will never be the same.